Hey everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. As you can see today, I'm not in my kitchen. I'm actually standing in my grandmother's kitchen, which is actually now my mother's kitchen. And I would love, y'all have heard me talk about her in countless videos, but I want to introduce you to my mom. Grandma. So this is the woman behind the madness. This is my mother. Today she is going to be showing us how to make pear honey. Said it right.
You did. And not apple
I mean,
butter.
I was calling it apple honey or apple butter or whatever. Anyway, so she's going to show us how to do this. I'm really excited that she agreed. Twisted her arms. Do it for me, Mom. And I hope you guys enjoy. All right. To get started, you need to peel and grade the equivalent of 4 cups of pears. We used about 9 pears in the making of this.
Okay, to begin with, we've got our pears graded.
Right here.
I usually get about a package that has about 9 to 10 pears in it. They don't look like much, but it makes quite a bit by the time you get everything else. Then you add, that's 4 cups of pears. Then you add 3 cups of sugar.
Okay.
Then you add a large can of crushed pineapple in its own juice. It don't have to be the heavy syrup. And that's where part of your juice comes in. That's it.
How long have you been making this?
Oh, ever since Mama made it to begin with. And we all just thought it was so good. So and at that time, they just kind of did like you did, a pinch of this, and they just kind of put it in the pan, and you had to kind of guess. Turn it on, I don't know, pretty high to begin with to get it to boiling. Then you just cook it for about 2 hours.
Okay, cook it for 2 hours, and can I show them your Betty Crocker cookbook?
Sure.
Okay.
This is what I got when I was a sophomore in high school, which has been many, many years ago.
I have made a lot of food that's come out of this cookbook. Y'all can see it. It's old, but I told Mom, I said,
there's my recipe.
Oh.
For the pear honey.
There's the pear honey recipe. Told Mom when she's gone, this is mine. I'll fight over this cookbook. Anyway, I thought that was really neat.
We'll have to put your name on it.
Exactly.
Put it in the. I duct taped it.
Yeah.
So that can.
It has been well loved and well used.
But see, that's just.
Yep.
It's just liquid now, and.
It'll thicken up as it cooks. Yep. What we'll do is we'll come back. I'll throw some footage in. We'll at the one hour mark show you what it looks like, and then when it's done, we'll come back and show you then. But so stay tuned. You don't want to miss this. You never know what's going to happen around here. So a little backstory on the house. I will say this: my grandfather moved the house to where it's at now over 50 years ago, and it was used then. It wasn't like it was a new house then. And then Mom and Dad have moved into it. So I'll try to throw in some B-roll throughout this in a little bit and show you some of the stuff that was my grandfather's that's still out here. So anyway, we'll see you back in an hour. We were about at the hour mark here. It's starting to thicken up, but it's still pretty liquidy. So it needed to cook about 45 minutes at this point. This is what it looked like when it's done. It's nice and thick. So we've cooked it for hour 45 minutes, somewhere there. I would, Mom said just basically let it, you kind of know by how thick it is. Got a shot of it going, and then what do you do once it's done?
You turn off the burner and you put it in the jars.
All right. Well, we're gonna do that real quick. Then we'll show you what it.
And you do need to stir it ever so often.
Oh, yeah.
In the process of it cooking, you'll know when it starts kind of sticking to the bottom.
And you said when we got it started, you started out on high till it comes to a boil, then you turn it down, right?
And
Okay.
let it just simmer.
Okay. This is gonna be amazing, guys.
Okay.
All right.
Are you
Yeah.
ready?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay. Turn that off.
Look how thick that is. If you're wondering what you do with
This is not gonna make a lot.
pear honey, is, and we're just making a small batch, so you can make it kind of as big as you want to. I'll be sure and list the ingredients and stuff in the description below too. But it's good on biscuits, it's good on toast, it's good to eat with a spoon.
It is even good. I have made pies with it
Oh, I bet it is. Is a pie filling? Yep, I bet it is.
because it's got the pineapple and the pears, which is more, you know, you can put like apple seasoning,
Mm-hmm.
apple pie seasoning, and it's kind of like an apple pie. But it's just fine, grated up. Well, that just about worked out. I
Yep.
don't know.
So we got,
All kinds of jars.
yeah, a pint jar and 3 half pints.
And that's all of it.
That's perfect.
Wonderful. Then we put our lids on it. And
Awesome. Okay, I think that's it, my friends. Let's see if I can hold that up without burning myself.
now be careful.
This is pear honey. I hope y'all will give this video a try. Hey, if you like this video, right here, I'm making my mama's squash casserole. Y'all need to check that video out. We'll see you guys on the next video.
Thank you.